This is part 2 of the unboxing and review of the XTUGA wireless handheld microphone system. My initial impression is that this is a very user-friendly system, which is always a good thing. The build quality of the microphones and receiver seems pretty nice throughout. The microphones are very lightweight, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. This seems to be the norm amongst other microphones in this class. Now to touch back on being user-friendly. I am no way, shape, or form a tech person or anything of the sort, so when I played around with the features for the first time, I felt confident that I could effectively evaluate all of its functions to completion without having to constantly check the user manual. This also makes this child-friendly and would make a great addition to family karaoke night. Now to jump into the setup and go over the features. The microphones are pretty much plug and play, via XLR connections, no software needed to be downloaded in order to make them work. The receiver is powered via 12 volts AC-DC adapter, which needs to be plugged into the back input marked DC input. Next, connect the two antennas which are included in the package to ANT2 and ANT. Connect the female to male XLR cables into the access points labeled Balanced 2 and Balanced. Connect the male to female portion of the connectors to your mixer or other compatible device. Power on the receiver and then navigate the volume accordingly. Then power on the microphones. The microphones should have come charged to some level from the factory. If not, use the USB-C connector included in the package to fully charge them. When the microphones are powered on, they exhibit a really cool green ring to alert you if so. As an option, you can add the orange anti-rolling slip holders. They're great for ensuring that you pretty much don't drop them. The microphones contain a couple of adjustable options. They include volume between 0 and 15. 50 channels, echo between 0 and 15, treble between -12 and 12, and finally bass between -12 and 12. I personally love some of the options because you can essentially EQ your voice without using an actual mixer. In my opinion, a mixer is probably still recommended in order to really fine-tune it to your specific preferences. I think that the microphones, for the most part, sound pretty good. But in all honesty, without making any adjustments to the sound, they have somewhat of a hollowed-out sound or what some may consider tinny. Again, the good thing is that it is adjustable, and you can probably get it to a reasonable level that suits your taste, as I was able to do. Keep in mind, what you'll be receiving isn't a Shure microphone system, so don't expect it to perform as such. What you will be receiving is a high-quality microphone with a host of great features that you can use at casual events and enjoy at a fraction of the cost. At the time of this review, the microphone system sells for $79.99 US.
Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, Destiny's Vision. This is part 2 of the unboxing and review of the XTUGA wireless handheld microphone system. It's plug and play, real simple to use. You can use it for karaoke, vlogs, interviews, and many more other things. Right now, this is going on sale for $79.99 on Amazon. This is a test. 1, 2, 3.
That's all that I have for you today. If you enjoyed this review, stay tuned because there are more to come. As always, thank you for tuning into my channel and I'll see you on the next one.